What's up guys, and welcome back to another FSP Transmissions video. Today we have a $700 Ford brought to us by Travis Lynn. He wants this built to a stage 3 and it's going into a 1995 Chevrolet pickup truck. Initially he said it only had first and second gear, which indicates to me the 3 and 4 clutch pack is burnt up. We're going to be doing a complete overhaul on this unit, going back with a Corvette servo, a hardened sun shell, a 500 thousandths boost valve, a shift kit, and red stage 3 friction. In this video, you will see the step-by-step process it takes to tear down one of these units and get it onto the build bench and ready for assembly. Thank you for all the support, and thank you for 100,000 followers. Do have t-shirts available, just shoot me a DM. Thank you. Let's pressure wash this case. And if that's not good enough for you, that looks like a brand new transmission case. I've had a lot of people tell me my cleaner does not work. A lot of people say that cleaner did nothing. I think this transmission case looks pretty good. Wouldn't you agree? Let me know in the comments below. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I will be using a claw hammer, and I will also be using a screwdriver to pop that seal out. So if any of you get easily triggered, please turn off the video now. Your 3 and 4 clutch pack is torched. Okay, which one do you think is new? All right, guys, we got everything in the washer. We'll see you next time.